how to import pictures and videos on your CapCut in PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily import your pictures or videos on your CapCut application on your PC. So let's get started. First, just head over to your CapCut application. Make sure you have already downloaded your application and simply install it. And from over here, just click on this create project button over here and it will reopen the CapCut page with a different UI, that is this. And from over here you can see the import button over here, or you can also drag and drop the videos or photos just directly from your files over here. So I'll simply select this import button over here. When I press on this import button, it will redirect to me to some of my directory. So once I select photos and videos, at the same time you actually can simultaneously select both of these and simply open that, and it will appear on your UI just like this, and simply drag and drop the files over here on your main editing screen, and simply do the same for your video as well. Or you can also just tap on this plus icon at the top over here to simply put it up over here, and you can actually trim and split the video by pointing it certain distance just like this, and actually removing or editing accordingly just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.